I'm gonna do my makeup using a rat filter. Oh my goodness. How you doing? I'm gonna start with some concealer first. Oh, why is it bent like that? Down the nose. My nose looks so long. Next we got contour. Pray for me, guys. Down the sides. Okay, that wasn't too bad. This part will be easy. Oh my gosh, my forehead has never looked this small. I don't feel like this is going to be as difficult as I thought it would be. Look at my mouth. Why does my brush disappear when I look up? I wish my forehead was this small. Cheekbones. That side profile. The nose should be pretty easy. It's just a long straight line. Blend looks good to me. Let's add a bit of blush. This filter is really exposing all my pores. Let's attempt wing eyeliner. Okay, I'm nervous. Oh, no. This feels so wrong, but I have to keep going. Oh, why? I feel like I'm just making it worse. Yes, I'm crazy enough to try some inner corner. Oh, I should have just left it. What was I thinking? Okay, moving on to lips. Okay, there we go. Who's ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1. Eyeliner is 100% a fail, but come on, what would you guys rate this out of 10?